What's up, AC gang? Your boy Capo here. Abbi behind the camera. My brother Justin. And today we're back with a bang. We're gonna be doing the homeless man prank on the street.
Or the madman prank.
We're gonna be scaring some people and doing some funny things to see them reaction. So guys, make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I am Cappuccino. Follow Abbi at Abbi Attaz. Subscribe to our YouTube channels, Abbi and Capo JA and Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. So guys, we saw this on I am Money channel. We decided to try it. It looked very fun and very creative. Want to engage with the fans them now. So let's go. So how long it takes to dead fast too? You don't recognize me now. Am I looking mad enough? Don't know when nipple are show. Time for pranks.
Sorry, it's just a prank, sorry.
Oh, Caesar!
It's a scam! It's a scam!
Oh God.
man.
On YouTube.
Seriously?
Yes. If you want to see this, look for Abbi and Capo J.A.
My name?
Abbi and Capo J.A.
Me cross them earlier. I didn't
Come on. Tell us about this.
Oh God.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Huh? Abbi and Capo J.A.
Oh my God.
She's still a shake.
Why you want girl, brother? Oh, you're running.
I see I don't want me to focus on it. We never realized it. P.O. J.A.
I'm just tell somebody that we say same thing.
Oh my God.
God, I get just. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed that video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment.
Make sure you share this video if you enjoy it. Put on it. Share it, share it, share it.
And if
That's
you want,
the only way we can help you guys.
and if
Share
you
the
want
video.
a part 2, just comment part 2 down below.
You know,
Thank you,
hit that
Justin.
like button. Subscribe. Team Capo, Jamaica.